Have you ever felt a sinking feeling when your eye misunderstands your prompts? Your not alone. This happens to countless users and the consequences can be severe. Picture this: you're burning the midnight oil crafting the perfect prompt for a critical task. You hit send only to receive a response that feels completely off. Frustration builds, but what if this miscommunication signals something deeper? Every overlooked detail can lead to costly misunderstandings. For instance, you might ask for a creative solution, but without the right context, your brilliant idea could spiral into chaos. Just a few more specifics could have changed everything. Ignoring these warning signs only amplifies the risks, wasting time and resources while stifling your team's creativity when it matters most. Imagine a brainstorming session filled with excitement. You turn to the eye for validation, but instead it delivers an irrelevant suggestion. The silence that follows is deafening, and suddenly all eyes are on you. That pressure can crush innovation. Recognizing these misinterpretations is crucial for mastering prompt engineering. Pay attention to patterns in the eye's responses. If it frequently misses the mark, that's a clear signal to refine your approach. The sooner you identify these warning signs, the better equipped you'll be to tackle them. Remember, you can't navigate this alone. Engage with your eye as a partner, treat it like a conversation, and you'll unlock new levels of creativity. So, how often do you analyze the eye's responses? Each misstep could reveal valuable insights. Don't let misinterpretations derail your progress. Embrace those stress signals and transform your interaction with eye for the better. What will you do differently next time? The journey to mastering prompt engineering starts now. Don't let misunderstandings hold you back. Dive deeper, ask more questions, and watch your creativity soar. Have you ever questioned whether you're truly maximizing eye's potential, or are you unknowingly setting yourself up for problems? In today's landscape, where prompt engineering is gaining importance, the risk of misinterpretation is higher than ever. Many believe they have control, but that's often an illusion. Beneath the surface lies a complex web of misinterpretations that could undermine your efforts. What if your carefully crafted prompts are actually leading you into a confusing maze? Picture this: you're trying to create a marketing strategy for your startup. You input what seems like the perfect prompt, but instead you get a jumble of nonsense. Frustration kicks in, and you start to wonder, is it me or the eye? I don't just misinterpret your words, it can also reflect your biases, amplify misunderstandings, and derail your creative process. Imagine relying on a tool for guidance, only to find it's leading you astray. Many mistakes stem from how we frame our prompts. A vague or overly complex question can confuse the eye, resulting in unclear responses that leave you feeling lost. Sometimes a simple tweak is all you need to unlock valuable insights. Think about this: you're racing against a deadline and decide to simplify your prompt. Suddenly, the eye generates ideas that resonate with you. But what if you had phrased it in a way that sparked a wave of creativity instead of confusion? Those subtle differences in wording can dramatically impact the output. Here's where it gets critical. Many users overlook the dangers of relying too heavily on AI without verifying its responses. Imagine a scenario where a well-meaning prompt leads to misinformation. You share this with your team, only to discover it's incorrect. The consequences can be serious. The tension is palpable. You're on the brink of a breakthrough, but one poorly phrased prompt could lead to chaos. It's a delicate balance between efficiency and accuracy. How do you navigate this? Take a moment to reflect. Instead of rushing into your prompts, pause and consider your intent and clarity. Test and refine your approach. The power lies in how you wield this tool. So, what's the key takeaway? In prompt engineering, it's not just about what you ask, but how you ask it. Your relationship with I can either enhance your work or trap you in a maze of misinterpretation. As you move forward, remember the potential of I is vast, but so are the risks of misunderstandings. Choose your words wisely and stay curious. The journey is just beginning. Have you ever felt like I is a mysterious black box? You are not alone. Many people dive into prompt engineering without clear direction, leading to results that can be more concerning than you might think. Imagine asking a question, hoping for a straightforward answer, only to receive something completely unexpected. This is the reality for countless users trying to harness I's power, often unaware of the misinterpretations lurking beneath the surface. What if I told you that how you frame your prompts can greatly influence the outcome? It's not just about asking the right questions, it's about understanding the mechanics at play. Yet, many jump in blissfully unaware of these hidden complexities. Let's picture a common scenario. You're working late, brainstorming ideas for a project. You type a simple prompt and wait, but instead of inspiration, you receive a confusing jumble of unrelated facts. Frustrating, right? This is just bad luck. It stems from a misunderstanding of how I processes language. The I is only as effective as the input it receives. If your prompt isn't clear, the output can become chaotic. You might think you're being specific, but subtle nuances can lead to completely different interpretations. For example, if you ask for a recipe but forget to specify dinner and just say recipe, it seems like a small detail, but those little nuances can derail everything. Many users don't realize their expectations are misaligned. They expect I to read their minds, but often fail to provide the context it needs. This disconnect can leave you feeling lost, questioning the reliability of a tool that could otherwise be your greatest ally. But here's the good news: recognizing these pitfalls is the first step toward improvement. A simple adjustment in your approach can lead to significant changes. Take a moment to think critically about your prompts. What do you want to achieve? What context can you provide? As we explore these layers, remember that every interaction is a chance to learn. You can refine your skills and turn misinterpretations into meaningful conversations. It's not just about the I, it's about how you engage with it. So as you venture into the world of prompt engineering, consider this: are you asking the right questions? The tools are powerful, but they can only be effective if used wisely. Reflect on your experiences. The next step is yours. Every time you type a prompt, take a moment to consider what you truly want from the interaction. In those reflections, you'll find clarity and perhaps even a spark of creativity. If you found